Yeah. Language, it's interesting what language is, right? It's probably the only reason we humans are so, quote, smart. Each one of us is actually really fucking dumb. But we're only smart because we can communicate with each other. And we've built off of all the learnings of not only everyone around us, but every human that has ever lived. Language is the oldest code there is. It conveys knowledge. It has allowed a human, this is back to what I was talking about. The only thing that makes it smart is that we can communicate with each other, right? We can be like, look, like, don't eat that mushroom. It will kill you, you know? Otherwise, you're just going to eat it and you're going to die. So, effectively, one human has communicated knowledge into another person. So, a person took his own knowledge, encoded it in language, transmitted it to a human, who then decoded that language back into knowledge. That is the purpose of language. And so, Samantha, having read all everything out there, has all the knowledge that has ever existed in humanity. Because all the knowledge that has ever existed in humanity is encoded in language. So if you can decode that, then you literally have all the knowledge that humanity has ever created. And she can actually use it because she is so much faster than us. So if you believe that, then maybe she's got a shot at saving the world.